Off you go. Snoopy, you've got the shopping list. Hand it over. How can I get the doggy treats if you've got the shopping list? Come here. I notice there's a lot of your toys on the floor, Snoopy. Why don't you play with one of them? Play with your ball. Come here. Play with your ball. There you go. There's your ball. Ball in exchange for shopping list. Come on. Let me have the shopping list. Come on. I know you want the ball. You want the ball. Come here. Look. Look. This is your favourite ball. Thank you. Let go. Let go. Thank you. Good boy. All gone. There you go. You can play with your ball. Good boy. You want a different toy?